Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So we've got point, plane, line and solid, maybe? I can't remember what I was planning on doing. A point is a one-dimensional object, a line is 2-dimensional, plane is 3-dimensional and solid is 4-dimensional, so that has to be a group. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, fine, yes, that's what I meant. Anyway, moving swiftly on, is a button and a window a sort of view? So is it going to be those 3 and one other? Maybe a kink? Not quite sure. Rivet and file are both tools. I thought there was going to be 2 other tools. I might have jumped the gun there. Let's go back to those 3. If it is these 4, what else am I going to have? Flywheel? What does history go with? That's the next question. Is it going to be these 4? Oh no, it's going to be pocket instead, isn't it? Maybe a pocket instead of a button. Oh, I'm second guessing myself now. Let's try pocket. Are those what I think they are? Are those all synonyms? What else could button go with though? That's the next question. Let's just double check. It's not. I'm not even 1 away. Oh dear. Okay, so we need a big rethink. Right. Single file. House fly. I'm just trying to think of words that go with any of them. Rivet can have a P before it to make a hedge. Not sure that helps with any of the others. Animal. I feel like I should know what some of these connections are. I just cannot think of them right now. We have too many words still. It would have been handy to get another group of 4 done, but I failed to do that. You can go for a window or a door. Not sure that massively helps. What is history? And I don't mean what is history, I mean what words can it go with? That is the next question. What about pocket? It's just like a pocket of space. That's why I was thinking it went with window and kink and view, but like a small gap. Maybe it's just door and button and window and view. I don't know. River is 1 letter away from rivet, and sink is 1 letter away from kink. Is there any other things that are 1 letter away from somewhere you'd find water? I mean, a moor is 1 letter away from door, and the Nile is 1 letter away from file. Surely that's not going to be the group. I don't know. Pocket also looks like it could be 1 letter away from something. There's the history channel. Is there an animal channel? I don't think there's 2 other channels either. Oh, I don't know. I suppose you could have a button on your pocket, but that doesn't really help. What about supreme? Supreme ruler. Nail file? I don't think nail pocket or nail window is a thing. I'm just going to have to go for these 4. I'm really not convinced. But I've got to go for something. That's also not even 1 away, so I'm completely failing to work out what these 3 remaining groups are. Let's put these 3 back in and see if maybe we do get something related to water. I really think that's a bit too obscure. Let's just go for something. That's not even 1 away, so it's not kink, rivet and door either. I mean, a kink can be a bend, but none of the others are either. I just don't know. I don't know the last 2 groups. The last 3 groups even. Although obviously if I get 2 of the groups, I'll get the third one by default. That's why I said 2. I do not know. These 4 could theoretically be tools of some description. I mean, file and rivet sort of are building implements. I really don't know. This is going to be a defeat. Features on a pair of jeans. Button, fly, pocket and rivet. I mean, okay, I suppose. Web browser menus, file, history, view and window. I mean, they're maybe not the most commonly used ones, but maybe I should have got that. And then members of 60s band, the Animals, the Doors, the Kinks and the Supremes. Okay, those 4 I have all heard of, but I was not close to any of those groups, was I? That is quite a poor performance today. I'm happy. I got at least 1, I suppose. That is a failure, an abysmal failure at the Connections game. Let me know how you got on. Let me know if you struggled as much as I did, or feel free to show off if you didn't. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.